Welcome, gardeners. Today, let's dive into the essential topic of protecting your greenhouse garden from pesky pests that can wreak havoc on your plants. Greenhouses provide an ideal environment for growing a variety of plants, but they also create a perfect habitat for pests to thrive in. But don't worry, we've got some practical tips and strategies to keep those critters at bay. First things first. Prevention is key. Regular inspections are crucial. Make it a habit to check your greenhouse every few days for any signs of infestation. Look out for common pests like aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, and fungus gnats. Early detection means you can nip the problem in the bud before it gets out of hand. Next, let's talk about cleanliness. Keeping your greenhouse clean is not just a matter of aesthetics. It's crucial for pest management. Remove any debris or dead plant material that might serve as hiding places for pests. Make sure to sanitize surfaces and tools regularly using a solution of water and bleach or an approved disinfectant. This will help eliminate potential breeding grounds for pests. Ventilation is another critical aspect. Greenhouses can get stuffy, which creates ideal conditions for certain pests to flourish. Proper air circulation helps regulate humidity levels and prevents the buildup of moisture that attracts insects. Consider investing in a ventilation system or using fans to keep the air moving around your plants. Now, let's discuss natural pest control methods. Introducing beneficial insects into your greenhouse can help maintain a balance and reduce pest populations. Ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps are just a few examples of helpful bugs that feed on common garden pests. These beneficial insects will not only keep the pest population in check, but also promote biodiversity within your greenhouse. Another effective strategy is using sticky traps. These yellow or blue cards coated with a sticky substance can catch flying insects like whiteflies and thrips, preventing them from reaching your plants. Place these traps near the infested areas to maximize their effectiveness. Remember to replace them regularly as they become filled with pests. Physical barriers are also an excellent way to protect your greenhouse garden. Covering vents and openings with fine mesh screens can prevent flying insects from entering while still allowing air circulation. Additionally, consider using floating row covers over sensitive plants to shield them from ground-dwelling pests like slugs and snails. Now let's talk about biological controls. Using biopesticides or natural pesticides is a safer alternative to chemical treatments in confined spaces like greenhouses. Neem oil, insecticidal soaps, and pyrethrin are examples of organic products that can be used as sprays to target specific pests without harming your plants or beneficial insects. If you're dealing with an infestation that seems out of control, it might be necessary to apply chemical pesticides. However, choose them wisely. Always read the labels and follow instructions carefully. Opt for least toxic options that are specifically designed for greenhouse use. Remember, overusing chemicals can harm not only pests, but also beneficial insects and the overall health of your plants. Let's not forget about plant hygiene. Quarantine new plants or seedlings before introducing them to your greenhouse garden. Inspect them thoroughly and treat any visible pests before they have a chance to spread. This practice will help prevent the introduction of unwanted guests into your carefully maintained ecosystem. Lastly, maintaining healthy plants is crucial for pest resistance. Provide proper nutrition by using balanced fertilizers and watering appropriately. Healthy plants are better equipped to fend off attacks from pests. Regular pruning can also promote air circulation and remove potential hiding spots for insects. In conclusion, protecting your greenhouse garden from pests requires a proactive approach. By implementing these tips and strategies, you'll be well on your way to maintaining a healthy and pest-free environment.